Alam niya, kaya namin ito pinilit gawin dahil para sa event natin. Kasi starting next year, itong event, itong place na so, problema na ito ni Nanoli. Ng sales. Kailangan ma-convert natin
Lagot.
ito into income producing area. And I think the message of Dea kanina, hindi pa tayo nakakalampas sa stage na kumikita na tayo. And I think every year that's our challenge. And more than anything else, I think itong year 2025, ito yung tinitingnan namin na magiging turning point ng Aliw Broadcasting. Kompleto na tayo. Meron tayong TV, meron na tayong radyo, kompleto tayo in one area, in one group. Lahat naman siguro ng pwede nating ipagmalaki, meron na rin tayo ito. So, it's a matter of converting this into as we project. Hindi naman tayo nangangarap o hindi tayo nag-aambisyon ng sobrang laki. I think alam natin yung kaya natin, and for the last years na pinagtutulong-tulungan natin, alam natin na meron pa tayong kayang i-produce. And that will be a challenge not only to the Mancom, but siguro dapat that's the challenge of each and every one of us. Kung saan natin dadalhin yung Aliw, eh, siguro kahit pa paano we can contribute. Ha? Ang importante, alam natin yung gagawin natin, alam natin kung saan tayo papunta. Sabi nga lagi ni Boss doon, isang sagwan, isang direksyon. So, kailangan ganon ang motivation natin this coming 2020. And ako, I can feel na yung 2025 will be a banner year for Aliw Broadcasting with the help of everyone. Again, Merry Christmas and let's enjoy the day.